Today, we'll meet amazing animals, learn their names, and hear their sounds. Welcome to the animal adventure.
Here comes the cow. The cow says, "Moo moo."
Look, it's a dog. The dog says, "Woof woof." Can you say woof woof?
Here comes a cat. The cat says,
"Meow meow."
"Can you say
Meow meow.
Wow, it's a lion. The lion says,
Roar, roar.
"Can you say roar, roar?" Look, a monkey. The monkey says, "Ooh, ooh, ah, ah." Can you say ooh, ooh, ah, ah?
Here comes the elephant. The elephant says, Trumpet.
Here's a bird. The bird says, "Tweet, tweet." Can you say tweet, tweet?
Look, a duck. The duck says, quack, quack. Can you say quack, quack?
Here's a sheep. The sheep says, "Baa Baa." Can you say Baa Baa?
Here comes a chicken. The chicken says, "Cluck, cluck." Can you say cluck, cluck?
Look, a horse. The horse says, "Neigh, neigh." Can you say neigh, neigh? Here's a penguin. The penguin says, "Honk, honk." Can you say honk, honk?
Here's a frog. The frog says,
Ribbit, ribbit.
Can you say ribbit, ribbit?
Great job, friends! Now you know animal names and real sounds. See you next time for more fun adventures.